Welcome to this new RAWSTER photo video. Today we're going to talk about long exposure photography, and I will show you a photo I took in Venice with a very long exposure. In general, it's a type of photography most people like. The only thing you need as a photographer if you want to apply it during the day is a very heavy ND filter like this one, the 10 stops ND. So enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and in the end of the video you have the possibility to sign up for our photo challenge. So if you want to challenge yourself and take some photos you're not used to, sign up and improve your own photography skills. In this video I want to talk about long exposure photography because it is applied a lot. In general, most people like the type of photography. Of course, there are also people that don't like it because they say it doesn't look real. It's not what we see with the human eye, and that's true, of course. But I think, in my believing, it is interesting because you can create something that is not visible with the human eye. So I think that's also maybe the reason why long exposure photography really gets the attention of the people. But the thing I want to talk about is why long exposure photography works so well in cityscapes. And I can give you the answer to that, because the thing is, in this case, you see the water is nicely smooth, and if you look at this photo, it isn't about the water. It is about this building in the front and the buildings here in the background. So that's what you want to stand out in a photo. And imagine the water with the little waves and maybe boats passing by. Yes, that really doesn't add anything to the subject. So if you use long exposure photography, what you're going to see is that the water gets smooth, the water doesn't give any distraction anymore, and full attention goes to the buildings in this photo, in the buildings in your cityscape photos. And that's the main reason why long exposure photography really works well in cityscapes. So if you want to start with long exposure photography, what I recommend is to use a 10 stops ND filter, also called a big stopper sometimes. That filter makes it possible to use longer exposures already during daytime, especially when it's a bit cloudy. You already get about 30 seconds pretty easy. So that's what I recommend to buy, and of course you have to shoot it from a tripod. If you don't have a 10 stops ND filter yet, or maybe you're also looking for a new tripod, please check our website. We sell it and we ship worldwide. So hopefully you learned something new. I'm also curious if you apply long exposure photography yourself already, and please leave a comment below this video to share your thoughts about this type of photography. Did you like this photography video? Please like this video and check out our recommended video for more tips.